Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I have the iPad here and of course it doesn't really matter which iPad it is. And we'll be showing you in today's tutorial how to use your iPad as a listening device, alright? So of course we'll be using the live listen feature and of course we're going to show you how to activate it on the iPad. Alright, so if you have an iPad, all you need is a compatible headset such as your earpods or of course any Apple compatible device that supports this feature, usually the ones built by Apple. So of course I'm going to use the earpods to demonstrate. So to do this, first of all, swipe down from the upper section here and of course you should be in this area, sorry about that, which is the control center here. You're gonna press on hold. Once you press on hold, you're gonna see the toggles you can add and remove. We're gonna add to control center. Then of course you're gonna see a bunch of these. You're gonna scroll down and there should be a number of them. You're gonna look for something look like related to hearing, and of course it should be a ear. You're gonna search for it. It should be around here somewhere and it should say hearing, I think. So we're going to search for it. It should be around here. Here we go. It's under hearing and accessibility. It's almost at the end and it says hearing. You're going to go ahead and you're going to select that one. So go ahead and tap. It will be added here. Tap in a blank space and of course hearing will be added. Now of course you're going to tap on hearing and of course you'll see these options here. Now you'll notice the live listen option. Now in order to activate the live listen option, go ahead guys and you're gonna get your earpods, and I'm gonna remove my earpods. This is the only way it can be activated. So go ahead and place your earpods in, or of course the Apple headset, and of course you're gonna choose the option here that says live listen and tap on not on the text but on the speaker here, and it says live listen would like to send you notifications. Hit allow. All right, so as you can see, live listen is now on, and as you can see guys, everything that's said around the earpod, sorry, not around the iPad, will be transferred over, and you can know that it's on because it says live listen. You can tap here, you'll see the controls. You can have the sound set to standard, voice isolation. So voice isolation will make sure that it go ahead and selects out the voice. So that will be a better option, or you can set it to automatic where it will choose. All right, so as you can see here, the live listen is on. All right, so live listen is on. And in order to turn it off, you can return here. You'll be hearing everything that's said around your iPod. We can tap here. You'll see that it's on. You can reverse the last 10 seconds. Or of course, you can go ahead here and you can turn off the live listen. And this will shut it down. All right, guys. So that's it. And live listen is a very intuitive feature. You can use it with your device. So if your iPad is left in a room, you can hear everything that's said in that room or around the iPad. All right, so you do need the compatible headsets, or of course the AirPods, and of course along with your device here, which is your Apple AirPods and your AirPods and the iPad. All right, so hope that was useful guys. See you in the next one. Bye.